Hi, my name is Kristiane Weeks-Rogers. I'm going to read a poem that was first published by SurVision, and now you can find it in my full-length collection of poetry. This collection is called Self-Anointment with Lemons. The poem is called Words Are Reassembly. If words are reassembly of skeleton, which white bones do I pull lingua from? I ask my father, my abuela, myself. No one can remember where. Reclaim plummeted branches from the oldest Hawaii at dusk. As red fingers blot out a tongue generations forgotten. I, thin green strip, off center, fallen but lifts then, to seep into the red, just barely, barely.